Welcome to YouTube, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming crossovers, the 2026 Omoda C7. This sleek and futuristic SUV is stirring up serious competition in the compact crossover segment, and for good reason. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a family car buyer, or just someone who appreciates bold design, this is a vehicle you'll want to know more about. Let's break down why the Omoda C7 is gaining attention and how it stacks up against some of the top players in the game. First off, the Omoda C7's design language is something you can't ignore. It's bold, aggressive, and futuristic, with a striking front fascia, seamless LED light bars, and a coupe-like roofline that gives it a sporty stance. It's not just a car, it looks like a statement. Compared to rivals like the Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, or even the Mazda CX-5, the Omoda C7 offers a fresh and youthful presence that feels more like a concept car brought to life. Under the hood, while final specs may vary by market, early leaks and auto show reveals suggest that the Omoda C7 will likely offer a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged petrol engine, hybrid variants, and possibly even a full EV down the road. That puts it right in the mix with competitors like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Honda CR-V, and Nissan Rogue. But where it truly stands out is in value, giving you premium features without a premium price. Inside, the Omoda C7 continues to impress. The cabin is futuristic yet practical, loaded with digital screens, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials. Expect a dual-screen layout with a digital instrument cluster and an infotainment touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance systems. This puts it toe-to-toe with much more expensive rivals. Brands like Volkswagen, Peugeot, and Ford should take note. The C7 is coming in hot with features usually seen in vehicles a segment above. Now, let's talk about the competition. The 2026 Omoda C7 is entering a very crowded arena. The Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, Mazda CX-5, Honda CR-V, and Toyota RAV4 are all well established and trusted. But the Omoda C7's edge is its combination of head-turning design, tech-forward interior, and aggressive pricing strategy. If it delivers on performance, comfort, and after-sales support, it could quickly become a serious disruptor in markets like Europe, Asia, and even North America. In conclusion, the 2026 Omoda C7 is a wild card with serious potential. If you're tired of the same old SUV choices and want something that feels futuristic without breaking the bank, this one is worth watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more car reviews, comparisons, and updates. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the Omoda C7 over the competition? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.